Hello. Welcome to RB Creation. Please subscribe my channel first for more video and notifications.
Let's see how Signifier beats every other system on the market. Any large space with a high ceiling is difficult to protect efficiently. You'd need dozens of detectors, and they might not work early enough, or even at all, due to high airflow and smoke stratification. Beams can be broken by forklifts. So the solution is Signifier, the state-of-the-art video detection system from Fike. The Signifier cameras and the system's unique algorithms can identify smoke and fire at a very early stage, allowing for early reaction, saving lives and property. The cameras provide many other unique benefits, including live imagery to remote locations, pre-recorded imagery for forensic use, and video surveillance for security. Signifier is also highly flexible, robust and scalable, suitable for any type of installation, any size of space. State-of-the-art video fire detection and surveillance. Signifier from Fike. Let's see how Fike's TwinFlex Pro protects you and your residents, both from nuisance alarms and from serious incidents. The resident here in apartment 4 has left a pan on the hob, which burns and produces thick smoke. This smoke is detected early by Fike's multi-point detector with its integral sounder. The detector sends a signal to the TwinFlex Pro panel located in the lobby. The panel instantly activates all 4 sounders in apartment 4 only. This alerts the resident and gives them time to deal with the smoke without disturbing the rest of the residents. If they don't do so within a specified time, or it's a more serious fire, only then will the TwinFlex Pro sound alerts in all apartments to evacuate the building. The next generation in 2-wire fire alarm reliability. TwinFlex Pro.